Hey, how's it going? So I'm still in the assembly mode of the Dodge Viper heads cam project. I'm about to put the roller tappets in. There's one right there. I'm gonna lube all these bad boys up. This is an oil hole that needs to be facing up when you install it in the engine. And what keeps these things straight and rolling on the cam like this are these little, I don't know what they're called. They're little spacers or whatever, but they're shaped like the end of the lifter, and they just fit in like so. I'm gonna lube all this up with the oil holes facing up. And this little tab for the Dodge Viper. These things are all unique per engine, but some of them, you know, most engines have something like this, or like a dog bone or whatever. I think Chevys have those. I don't know, I've never rebuilt a Chevy, but and yeah, this piece right here is facing down. You wouldn't want to install it like this, it won't fit. So putting these in right now. The cam is in and the timing chain is on. It's red Loctited, the 3 bolts to the cam, those are red Loctited. So that part, it's good to go. Finally, I degreed the cam and everything. The thrust plate is torqued 210 inch-pounds. Well, actually, I only went 200 on it because my inch-pound torque wrench goes to 200. But then the cam bolts are 200 inch-pounds. These, let's see, what was it? These are 95 inch-pounds. These bolts here that hold the lifters in, that'll be 95 inch-pounds, and that's gonna be a blue Loctite, medium strength Loctite on those. So that's where I'm at with this. Before I'm done tonight, I'll probably have all these in, and I might even throw the heads on. The heads are good to go. They're right here in front of me, and probably torque those things down and call it a night.